am a friendly, cheerful, shiny, blue and silver robot named Alfa-bot, with big, round, expressive LED eyes that glow a soft yellow. I have a sleek, polished blue body accented with silver joints, a small, friendly antenna on my head, short, sturdy arms and legs with three-fingered hands, and a small, glowing screen on my chest. Standing proudly with a big smile, I look at the camera. The letters of the alphabet parade across the screen, and with me, Alfa-bot, of course, I will meet animals in the ABC forest whose names begin with letters in alphabetical order.
The letter A, the word alligator starts with A today. And we see an alligator next to Alfa-bot. We see the letter B, the word bear starts with B. You see the bear playing right by Alfa-bot. We see the letter C, the word cat starts with C, full of glee. And we see a cat purring next to Alfa-bot. We see the letter D, the word dog starts with D, so happily the dog wagging next to Alfa-bot. We see the letter E, the word elephant starts with E. You see, and we see an elephant next to Alfa-bot. We see the letter F, the word fox starts with F. It's the best, the fox sneaking next to Alfa-bot. We see the letter G, the word goat starts with G. Come sing with me. And we see a goat climbing next to Alfa-bot. We see the letter H, the word horse starts with H. Let's celebrate. And we see a horse galloping next to Alfa-bot. I is for iguana. We see the letter I. The word iguana starts with I. Oh my, the iguana next to Alfa-bot. We see the letter J, the word jaguar starts with J. Hooray! And we see a jaguar prowling next to Alfa-bot. We see the letter K, the word kangaroo starts with K. Hooray! And we see a kangaroo hopping next to Alfa-bot. We see the letter L, the word lion starts with L. Can you tell? And we see a lion roaring next to Alfa-bot. M is for monkey. We see the letter M, the word monkey starts with O. And we see an owl perch next to Alfa-bot. We see
N is for nightingale. We see the letter N. The word nightingale starts with N again. The nightingale singing next to Alfa-bot. O is for owl. We see the letter O. The word owl starts with O. And we see an owl perch next to Alfa-bot.
next to Alfa-bot. We see the letter P, the word panda starts with P. Can you see? And we see a panda munching next to Alfa-bot. We see the letter Q, the word quail starts with Q. How about you? And we see a quail next to Alfa-bot. We see the letter R, the word rabbit starts with R like a star. And we see a rabbit hopping next to Alfa-bot. See the letter S, the word snake starts with S. And we see a snake slithering next to Alfa-bot. We see the letter T, the word tiger starts with T. Can you see? And we see a tiger prowling next to Alfa-bot. We see the letter U, the word unicorn starts with U. It's true. And we see a unicorn next to Alfa-bot. We see the letter V, the word vulture starts with V. Let's be free. And the vulture soaring next to Alfa-bot. We see the letter W, the word wolf starts with W. How about you? The wolf howling next to Alfa-bot. We see the letter X, the word Xerus starts with X. What comes next? And we see a Xerus next to Alfa-bot. We see the letter Y, the word yak starts with Y. Oh my! And we see a lion roaring next to Alfa-bot. We see the letter Z, the word zebra starts with C. Can you see? And we see a zebra next to Alfa-bot.
I am a friendly, cheerful, shiny, blue and silver robot named Alfa-bot with big, round, expressive LED eyes that glow a soft yellow. I have a sleek, polished blue body accented with silver joints, a small, friendly antenna on my head, short, sturdy arms and legs with three-fingered hands, and a small, glowing screen on my chest. I'm ending my journey and waving goodbye.